Hello guys, so we're making aloe vera juice and you'll need aloe, of course, scissors, a teaspoon, a container, a strainer, a glass, and of course you'll need your hands. Now let's go. This is method 1 where you're just using your fingers, your strainer, and the glass, and you're peeling the aloe vera by just pressing it slightly and twisting, like if you're untwirling a ribbon, and you'll see that the aloe vera will come apart but it won't break. And by squeezing it, you're already releasing some of the juice, as you can see. Now you just put it around your fingers and slightly grate it on the strainer. And just be gentle with it, but apply pressure, pressing downwards so that the juice could go into the glass. And just repeat that throughout the whole leaf. Now this is a small leaf, so that's why it's so easy to do. This is a quick method if you want some juice to use as a toner or to apply to a burn or so on. And it's economical because you really get all of the juice out. Using a blender, there's still a lot of chunks left, but with this method you really get all of the juice without any chunks. And you can see that the juice is very thin when it comes through the strainer and smooth. On to method 2. This method, you cut off any unwanted parts of the aloe, and then you use your scissors to cut off the spikes. And the scissors is easier in this case because it's a small leaf, so you have greater control using the scissors. Yes, I committed a sin and used wares out of the untouchable cabinet for this video. So you could say I did the most. So I'm just finish off cutting off the spikes on the aloe plant, on the aloe leaf. And now we're using a knife to slice the aloe into 2 halves, and I place the aloe face down on the flat side. Now we're taking the bowl and the teaspoon and gently scraping the aloe leaf, scraping the gel off the leaf. Now this part is tricky because the more pressure that you use, the more gel-like or thick your aloe will be. So light pressure will give you a thin juice, and digging into the gel really will give you gel chunks. And you see how I'm holding the aloe leaf for greater control, securing it with my thumb, and then using my hand as a like sliding down something, I don't know. But basically it's the greatest hand position that give me the greatest control. And you see, even though it's a small leaf, you still get a lot of gel, in there, really moisturizing, good stuff. Yes, so I'm just scraping that into the bowl, waiting for it to focus, and then scraping it into the bowl. Oh, and if you want to be more sanitary, you can definitely use gloves, because how I'm holding the leaf, it would have to touch your hand before it actually hits the bowl. And you could also use a flat plate or a cutting board and rest it on flat and scrape it. Now you have your juice, you can use it or store it. And cleaning up is simple. Just wipe down the scissors and a knife or wash it with soap and water. Throw away your aloe vera leaves, well skins, into a bin. Easy as 1, 2, 3. And then wipe down your surface with a damp cloth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Peace.